In this video, we'll discuss an easy breakout trading strategy. This effective strategy can be used for trading Forex, gold, crypto. It works on nearly any time frame, making it suitable for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Make sure you watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This strategy uses only 2 free TradingView indicators. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and search for the range detector from Lux Algo in the Indicator tab. Select it and use the default settings. Here's how it works. A blue line means the price is moving sideways, so avoid trades. A green line after an upward breakout suggests the price will rise. Look for a buy opportunity. A red line after a downward breakout suggests the price will fall. Look for a sell opportunity. Next, add the second indicator. In the Indicator Search tab, type FX Sniper T3 CCI and select FX Sniper T3 CCI Copy Strategy by H. Potter. Adjust the settings as follows. In the Input tab, leave the default settings. In the Style tab, change the CCI histogram to columns. Click OK to confirm. This FX Sniper CCI indicator helps guide your trades. If the CCI histogram is green, it's a buy signal. Place an order when the histogram changes from red to green. If the CCI histogram is red, it's a sell signal. Place an order when the histogram changes from green to red. How to place a buy order. If the price breaks out upward and the range detector line turns green, look for the best point to place a buy order. Wait for the price to retest the range detector area. Wait for the F.X Sniper CCI indicator to give a buy signal. Make sure the candlestick is bullish and the range detector line is still green. Place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set a stop loss at the most recent swing low and aim for a profit with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. How to place a sell order. If the price breaks out downward and the range detector line turns red, look for the best point to place a sell order. Wait for the price to retest the range detector area. Wait for the F.X Sniper CCI indicator to give a sell signal. Make sure the candlestick is bearish and the range detector line is still red. Place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Set a stop loss at the most recent swing high and aim for a profit with a 1 to 1.5 risk-reward ratio. Thanks for watching. No strategy guarantees 100% wins. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.